研究室に行って数日かかりましたけど、やっとこのサンドを作るようになりました。だから本日はこのセブンイレブンエッグサラダサンドレシピを紹介したいと思います。Boil some water. 2 eggs. ゆっくり。10 minutes. Bread. 2枚重ねて切らないで。難しくなった。Cut the crusts. Time's up. Ice water. 3 minutes. Peel that egg. Blending time. Squeeze. Keep the white. Blend. Cut the white. Japanese mayonnaise. Mix. A little more mayonnaise. And a little more. Mix everything. Even more mayonnaise. Spread it on. There's a bit left. Oh well. Cut that sando. Mine, 7-Elevens. First up, the 7-Eleven one. It's mild, mayo-y, and eggy. Let's see how mine wanted. This is my copycat 7-Eleven egg salad sandwich. The bread is a little bit too soft, so it's kind of hard to hold. It's mild, mayo-y, and eggy. I think this one tastes a little bit more salty. So if you're looking to make the 7-Eleven egg salad sandwich at home, this is the recipe.